Welcome to Chapter 9. We're going to be looking at polar coordinate system, which is different from the rectangular system. So when we look at a rectangular system, we had an x-axis and a y-axis, and we use that to locate points. For instance, the point 2, 3 meant x was 2 and y was 3, and we'd put the point there. When we use polar coordinates, however, we tell a person which way to face and then how far to walk. So a point might look like this, 2 at 45 degrees. Well, standing here, 45 degrees is this way. And we go out 1, 2, and this is where my point would be located, the point 2, 45. So there is a direct correspondence between locating points by rectangular coordinate system and locating points on the polar system. So first, let me talk about how to graph polar coordinates. As you know, we studied our unit circle and these were the points that we had learned. This is 0. This is pi over 4. I'm going to use radians. 3 pi over 4. 3 pi over 2, etc. Okay, so let's graph some points. Let's look at negative 1.5 at 2 pi over 3. This means we're going to look at 2 pi over 3. Here's 1 pi over 3, here's 2 pi over 3. And we're going to go negative 1.5. Well, positive would be this direction. So a negative radius would put you back this way. And so that would be the point negative 1.5 in the direction of 2 pi over 3. Okay, let's look at 3 at 4 pi over 3. So this was A, and there's point A. This will be point B. 3 at negative at 4 pi over 3, so 1 pi over 3, 2 pi's over 3, 3 pi's over 3, 4 pi over 3 is here. So we're going to go this direction, and we're going to go 3 units, 1, 2, 3. And so this would be point B. If we wanted to go five units at 150 degrees. Well, 150 degrees is 30 degrees less than 180, so this would be 150 degrees. And if we wanted to go out 5, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this would be point C. And so that's how we graph polar coordinates.